أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now I will take a class of IME, Islam and Moral Education, from class 8, chapter 3, lesson 6 on Surah Al-Qadr. My dear students, now I will discuss on Surah Al-Qadr. Surah Al-Qadr is a very dignified surah. It was revealed in Makkah. There are 5 verses in Surah Al-Qadr. In this surah, the fajilat of Laylatul Qadr is described because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed the whole Quran Sharif from Lawh-e Mahfuz to Baitul Izzah in the night of Laylatul Qadr. Shani Nuzul. My dear students, now I will explain about the Shani Nuzul of Surah Al-Qadr. Shani Nuzul. The meaning of Shani Nuzul is the background of revealing this surah. Once Allah's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was talking about a person of Bani Israeli. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has told that this person of Bani Israeli, he remained engaged in ibadat the whole night and the whole day, continuously 1000 months. Hearing this description, the followers or the Sahabis of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were surprised because the Sahabis thought that they would not get the opportunity of worshipping Allah for 1000 months. So, it would be impossible for them to be equal to the virtuous of their forefathers. In this situation, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed this Surah Al-Qadr. Here, Almighty Allah declares that if we perform ibadat the whole night, the night of Laylatul Qadr, then this will be equal to the 1000 months. My dear students, now I will recite Surah Al-Qadr. You open at page number 64 and see Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Wa ma adraka ma laylatul qadr. Laylatul qadri khayrun min alfi shahr. Tanazzalul malaikatu war-ruhu fiha bi'izni rabbihim min kulli amr. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. Sadaqallahul azim. Explanation of this surah. My dear students, Laylatul Qadr or the night of Laylatul Qadr is the most dignified and glorified night. If we perform ibadat on this night, the reward of this ibadat will be equal to 1000 months. That means if any person will do ibadat continuously 1000 months, then this will be equal to the ibadat of reward only of this night. My dear students, Ramadan month is coming and we can do ibadat on Laylatul Qadr night, and Laylatul Qadr night that is in the month of Ramadan. My dear students, 1000 months, this is the equal time for 83 years and 4 months. My dear students, now I will say the teachings of Surah Al-Qadr. In Surah Al-Qadr, there are many teachings. Now I will say some teachings. Laylatul Qadr is a very glorious night. The ibadat or worship at this night is better than that of the 1000 months. On this night, on earth descend the angels with peace and welfare. My dear students, inshallah, we will do ibadat, we will perform more and more nafal or optional salat in the night of Laylatul Qadr. My dear students, from my discussion, now I will ask some question. So you will write this question in your copy and you can follow from my writing also. That is, the questions are, can you see, my dear students? Question number 1. What is the English meaning of Shane Nuzul? Question number 2. What about is described in Surah Al-Qadr? Question number 3. What is the equal time by years of 1000 months? Question number 4. Why were the followers or Sahabi surprised after listening the story about a person of Bani Israeli? Question number 5. What are the teachings of Surah Al-Qadr? My dear students, you will write first of all this question, and by yourself you will write the answer of these questions, and you can write the answers of these questions from my discussion, and you will study lesson 6 from chapter 3. Then this will be easy for you to understand. My dear students, if anyone do not understand my discussion, or if you have any question or any confusion, you may ask me question by mobile phone. You can call me into my mobile number. Inshallah, I am ready to give answer of your question. So, my dear students, you will study about Surah Al-Qadr, lesson 6 from chapter 3. And no more today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.